Students, your unit 1 of practice book is nouns, and the already you have watched the video and listened carefully that what is noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing, feelings. There are 5 kinds of noun, and the last abstract noun, fifth noun, is in your syllabus. So in this worksheet, Miss Roma sings a song you have done in reader book. There was poem My Favorite Things, and she has described what are her favorite things: raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, winters, and snowflakes. So this is from your unit 1, growing up, of your My English reader, from unit growing up, Miss Roma's poem. 5 things she has written in her favorite things. So now this is about Miss Roma's favorite things. So favorite things, these are the not raindrops on roses, whiskers on kittens, winters and snowflakes. So why does she like those things? Because she has some feelings. When she uh, has those things with her, she feels something. So what are her feelings? We will discuss. So now, page number 2, you have to write your 5 favorite things. Write down any of your five favorite things that you have done in your reader book also. Ice creams, chocolates, trees, um, books, computers, laptops. So you write the names of those 5 favorite things, and you have to. These are my favorite things. Now, in the blanks given below, write the quality, one quality for each which you like the things. So, if you write number 1, I like chocolate for its taste. I like chocolates for its taste. I like books for its value. I like computer for its application. I like ball for its mm, for its mm, I like ball for its mm, entertainment, or you can say for its activity in game. I like trees for its usefulness. First is I like chocolates for its taste. I like computers for its application. I like toffees for its taste. I like books for its use. I like ball for its activities and games. I like trees for its usefulness. So now, can you touch or see the qualities? Now, taste, usefulness, application, all these qualities you cannot touch, you cannot show. So the favorite things, you have written the 5 favorite things and their qualities. These qualities you can only feel. Of course, you can only feel the qualities of your favorite things. The qualities that you have listed above are known as abstract noun, and I have given 25 abstract noun: honesty, truthfulness, kindness, taste, sadness, beauty, fragrance, patience, so many things. So, mm, these qualities are known as abstract nouns. You have understood abstract nouns? Now, page number 3, all the words given below in the help box. You see the help box: jealousy. So, abstract nouns are the nouns which you cannot see or touch, which you can only think of the qualities. So, joys, pain, memories, ideas. Now, here are some words given below are abstract noun. In the blue color box, you see jealousy. Jealousy, happiness, speed, love, surprise, height, roughness. These are the feelings, and you can only think about this. You cannot touch or you cannot see. Jealousy आप मन में सोच सकते हो, हैप्पीनेस फील करते हो, स्पीड, द स्पीड ऑफ द कार इज फास्ट, तो स्पीड को हम छू नहीं सकते. लव, you get love from your parents. Surprise, you got surprised to see your grandmother today. Height, what is your height? Height आप पकड़ नहीं सकते हो, आप की हाइट है, दैट इज द थिंग क्वालिटी. रफनेस, this bench has the roughness, so this surface has roughness. तो यहाँ पे ये रफ है, मतलब ये चिकना नहीं है, खुरदुरा है. सो ये सब क्वालिटीज़ जो हम सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं, उसको हम देख नहीं सकते, उसको पकड़ नहीं सकते. नाउ वर्कशीट 2, you have to fill in the blanks using the help box. Getting the help from your aid box. In aid box we have the abstract nouns: kindness, honesty, cruelty, beauty, humor. So Mother Teresa is known for her kindness. You people know Mother Teresa. Noor Jahan, the wife of Emperor Jahangir, is famous for her beauty. Beauty यानी सुंदरता, kindness यानी दयालुता. Third, Charlie Chaplin the comedian is remembered for his sense of humor. Humor यानी मजाकिया. Hitler the German dictator is known for his cruelty, निर्दयता. वो हिटलर जो था, जर्मन डिक्टेटर, राजा वहाँ का था, वो बहुत क्रूअल था, सबको सजा देता था, मारता था. क्रूअलिटी, क्रूअल मीन्स निर्दयी और क्रूअलिटी मीन्स निर्दयता. महात्मा गांधी इज रेस्पेक्टेड फॉर हिज ऑनेस्टी. हमें मालूम है महात्मा गांधी ईमानदारी के लिए जाने जाते थे. सो काइंडनेस, ऑनेस्टी, क्रूअलिटी, ब्यूटी, ह्यूमर, these are the abstract nouns. So you can complete this exercise. So this was very easy. Help box was given and you can fill those abstract noun in the in those sentences. Now here page number 4, you have to solve this crossword puzzle, and the clues are clue is given across and down. So you have to write 8 words in this crossword puzzle. So first you see what is in number 1, down. Down means from top to bottom. You have to write a sincere friend. So sincere friend, the abstract noun will be sincerity. Number 1 is sincerity. 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 Number 2, a lazy worker. Lazy worker, lazy. From lazy we will frame the word abstract noun laziness. 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 From top to bottom you write. ऊपर से नीचे की ओर लिखना है, ठीक है. Number 2, laziness. LAZINESS. Now number 3 is across, यानी कि लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर लिखना है आपको. Number 3, a wise king. Wise king. Wisdom, WISDOM. Wise से बना है wisdom. Number 4, an angry person. Angry. From angry we will frame the word anger. ANGER. Number 4 लेफ्ट से राइट की ओर लिखेंगे ANGER. Angry. From angry the abstract noun is anger. Now 6, innocent child. Innocent. From innocent we will frame abstract noun innocence. INN. Number 6, INNOCENCE. 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 Number 5 is an honest shopkeeper. Honest. From honest we will make honesty. Abstract noun is honesty. 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 Down. You have to write downward. Number 7 is a proud actor. Proud actor has from word proud, the abstract noun is pride. 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 Now last 8, a brave soldier. From word brave, the abstract noun is bravery. Number 8, BRAVERY. BRAVERY. So you have completed this crossword puzzle. You have to make this puzzle in your notebook also. Now, here is the 8 boxes given. You have to um, read the clues, and now you have to fill with the abstract nouns. The fear of closed surfaces. The fear of closed surfaces is claustrophobia. 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 The fear of English. Anglophobia. 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 Number 2 is Anglophobia. The fear of fire. The fear of fire is the fear of fire. The fear of fire is pyrophobia. PIROPHOBIA. The fear of foreigners, number 4 is xenophobia. XENOPHOBIA. Now number 5, the fear of books, bibliophobia. BIBLIOPHOBIA. And last, the fear of water is hydrophobia. HYDROPHOBIA. So first answer claustrophobia, second Anglophobia, third is pyrophobia, fourth xenophobia, fifth bibliophobia, and sixth is hydrophobia. So you got the answers. Now up to page 5 you have completed. Now page number 6. Help box is given. So abstract nouns, same. This whole lesson is of abstract nouns. I would be full of dash if I failed in English. I would be, अगर आप इंग्लिश में फेल हो जाओगे कैसी फीलिंग होगी? I would be sorrow. I would be full of sorrow. Sorrow means dukh. SORROW. Number 2. I would be wanting to keep a dash if I whispered समथिंग. विस्पर मतलब धीरे बोला, किसी के कान में बोला, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, उस बात को क्या रखना चाहूँगा? सीक्रेट. SECRET. नंबर 3. आई वुड लिसन केयरफुली इफ आई वॉन्टेड टू पे डैश टू समथिंग. इफ आई वॉन्टेड टू पे, बहुत ध्यान से सुनूंगा अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ को क्या करना है, ध्यान देना है, अटेंशन. नंबर 3 इज अटेंशन. ATTENTION. Number 4. I would raise my eyebrow in dash if I heard something strange. मेरी आईब्रो, अगर मैं कुछ अजीब सुनता हूँ या अनजाना चीज़ देखता हूँ, तो मैं सुनने के बाद कुछ ऐसी चीज़ जो पहले नहीं सुना हो, तो मेरे आईब्रो रेज हो जाएंगे. क्या, क्यों रेज हो जाएंगे? बिकॉज आई वुड बी in surprise. SURPRISE. Number 4 is surprise. My face is relaxed and beams with joy when I want to show dash. My face is relaxed. मेरा चेहरा एकदम शांत है और beams with joy, खुशी से खिल उठा है. when I want to show dash, तो मैं क्या दिखाऊंगा? चेहरा में मुस्कान है, शांति है, तो क्या होगा? when I am satisfaction. when I want to show satisfaction, कि मैं संतुष्ट हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, संतुष्ट हूँ. ऐसे TISFACTION. satisfaction. Number 5 is satisfaction. My face turns red and I grind my teeth when I am in. मेरा चेहरा लाल हो जाता है, मैं अपने दांत को पीसने लगता हूँ जब मैं कैसे होता हूँ? गुस्से में होता हूँ. when I am in anger. ANGER. So first answer is sorrow, second answer is secret, third attention, number 4 surprise, number 5 satisfaction, and number 6 is anger. So this way you completed your page number 6. Now page number 7. Page number 7, countables and uncountables. This you know already. There are two main kinds of nouns as per the number. Number means हम कितने हैं वो बता सकते हैं. अगर boys, 1 boy, 100 boy, 20 boys, books, 3 books, 5 books, 20 books, pencils, बॉक्सेस, बॉटल्स, जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, पर्सन्स, लेडीज, जेंट्स, flowers, bouquet, ball, balloon. These are the things we can count. But can you count joy, happiness, sorrow, secret, attention, honesty? जो abstract noun हम अभी तक पढ़ रहे थे, क्या उनको हम count कर सकते हैं? नहीं. And can you count the hair on your head? How many hairs you have? No. Can you count the stars? Can you count milk, oil, water, juice, coffee, tea? So these are uncountable. So abstract noun as well as the things which we cannot count, maybe liquid or some which are which are in large number, we cannot count them. So these are uncountable nouns. Now here in the you see that small umbrellas are there and some words are written in each umbrella: suffering, discipline, notebook, pity, sickness, peon, truth, fire, boys, blackboard. So now you have to pick the countable noun जिसको आप count कर सकते हैं and write in the column countables. So notebook you can count. So countable first is notebook. Second peon. Peon यानी कि कितने वर्कर स्कूल में काम करते हैं, जो भैया, जो अंकल आंटी गेट पर रहते, झाड़ू लगाते. सो नोटबुक, पियोन, टूथ. टूथ ऑल्सो आई हैव 25 tooth, I have 36 tooth. So you can count to how many tooths. 10, small baby has 4, 1 year old baby has 2, 3, 6 tooth. So teeth. So you can count the number of tooth. Tooth, notebook, peon, tooth. Boys. Boys, you can count one boy or more than one boys. Blackboard, one blackboard in each class. So many blackboards are in your school. So you got 4 countable noun: tooth, peon, notebook, boys, blackboard. 5. And uncountable, the rest are uncountable. Suffering, suffering यानी कि दुख, तकलीफ, पीड़ा. डिसिप्लिन, डिसिप्लिन हम अपने डेली एटीट्यूड में दिखाते हैं, बिहेवियर में डिसिप्लिन होना चाहिए, लेकिन हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते. डिसिप्लिन, यू शुड बी इन डिसिप्लिन, उसको हम दिखा सकते हैं डिसिप्लिन ये है, नहीं. डिसिप्लिन इज आवर थिंकिंग. डिसिप्लिन. सफरिंग, सिकनेस, सिकनेस यानी कि बीमारी, बीमारी है तो कोई चीज़ नहीं है. सिकनेस, आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम सिकनेस. पिटी, पिटी यानी कि दया, दया के दया, उस पर दया होना चाहिए. हाउ पिटी ऑफ हिम, कितना दया, दया का ये पात्र है. ही हैज़ नो फूड, हाउ पिटी ऑन हिज कंडीशन. सिकनेस, पिटी. फायर, फायर, फायर हम दिखा सकते हैं, फायर हम पकड़ सकते हैं, नो. फायर इज ऑल्सो अनकाउंटेबल, काउंट भी नहीं कर सकते कितना फायर है. फायर, सिकनेस, पिटी, discipline and suffering. So total 5 uncountables. It was very easy exercise. You have to classify them countables and uncountables. This should also be done in your notebook. All the exercises I am discussing with answers so that you can write. It is very easy to write. Now, what are countable nouns? Remember. So you have to write the remember also of page number 8. Countable nouns name things, persons, places and animals that we can count. They have their plural number. जिनको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, वो चीज़ें, वो लोग, वो जगह और वो एनिमल्स जितने हैं उसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, और उनका प्लूरल नंबर भी होता है. एक वचन से बहुवचन बनते हैं. एक यानी कि एक के लिए एक इंसान है, एक चीज़ है, एक जगह है, एक एनिमल है, और उसका प्लूरल हो जाता है वो एक से ज़्यादा. ए बॉल, 2 balls, मैनी बॉल्स, ए बॉय, मैनी बॉयज़, ए रूम, मैनी रूम्स, ए डॉग, मैनी डॉग्स. तो इसका जिसका प्लूरल हो जाता है और जिसको हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. द नेम्स of things, person, places, animals which we can count and which have their plural number are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns name things like water, milk, butter and qualities like beauty, courage that we cannot count. All the qualities, all the abstract nouns जिसे हम qualities जो हैं उसे हम count नहीं कर सकते. और and the things like water, milk, juice, tea, coffee, butter, these are also uncountable. They don't need a and an. उनके पहले हम ये नहीं लिखते हैं कि जैसे ए बॉय लिख लिया यानी एक लड़का, बट वी कैन नॉट राइट ए वाटर, ए मिल्क, ए बटर, ए हैप्पीनेस, ए जॉय, नो, एन भी नहीं लिख सकते हैं. So these are the uncountable nouns which we cannot count. You have to write this definition, remember, page number 8. So, from page 1 to page 8, you read, go through my video, and write each and every question in your notebook. Thank you.